Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kit Kat ice cream. This guide will walk you through each simple step, ensuring a delicious, no-churn dessert. We'll start by gathering our few essential ingredients, then move on to preparing the iconic Kit Kat bars. Next, we'll combine everything to create a rich, creamy base, and finally, we'll prepare it for freezing. Get ready to enjoy a delightful, homemade treat that's surprisingly easy to make. To begin, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of cold, heavy cream, which forms the rich base of our ice cream. Next, grab 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk for that perfect sweetness and creamy texture. Don't forget about 6 standard Kit Kat bars, totaling about 120 grams, which we'll crush. Finally, a teaspoon of vanilla extract will elevate all the flavors beautifully. Now let's get to mixing. First, pour your 2 cups of very cold heavy cream into a large bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream on high speed until it forms stiff peaks, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Then, gently fold in the entire 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk until it's well combined. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And finally, fold in 3/4 of your crushed Kit Kat pieces. Once your mixture is ready, carefully pour it into a freezer-safe container, like a loaf pan, and smooth the top evenly. Now, take the remaining 1/4 of your crushed Kit Kat pieces and sprinkle them generously over the surface. Cover the container tightly with a lid or plastic wrap. Place it in the freezer for at least 6 hours or, ideally, overnight. When it's firm, scoop and enjoy your delightful homemade Kit Kat ice cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.